girls, we have a new letter for today. And if you look up here, you actually see two pictures, but it is the same letter. This is the letter Y for yodeling yawn. So we have two Y's. One is red, one is yellow, because sometimes Y is a consonant, but every once in a while, Y has to act like a vowel in a word. Like if I said the word by, she is sitting by me, that's spelled B-Y. There's not one of our vowels, A, E, I, O, or U, so the Y is acting like a vowel. So right here she has her little light, her letter light. So let's listen to our letter from Ms. Y, where she tells you a little bit about herself. I'm Ms. Y with a yodeling yawn. I yawn like no one else. Yowie, yow, yow. Did you know that when you see someone yawn, it makes you want to yawn too? My yodeling yawn gives me a language all of my own. Yowie, yow, oh. I've learned that people can speak many different languages too. It's not always easy to understand one another, but it's great to try to communicate. Yippee! My favorite word is yes. My favorite color is yellow. One of my favorite things to do is to play with my yellow yarn yo-yo in the yard. After I play, I always need to rest. Everyone needs rest. Sometimes I'm a letter light, like a vowel. I light the way to making words, just like A, E, I, O, and U. You usually hear the Y sound at the beginning of the words, like yodeling, yawn. But sometimes I use a letter-like sound in other parts of words, like in the word pony, fly, or maybe. Find my hidden letters. I have two uppercase Y's in my hair. I live on the shore of Letter People Lake at the end of Yellow Jacket Trail. Yak Yak Yo-Yo's is nearby. Let's see if I can find the Y in her hair. Oh, there they are, in the back. So these are lowercase Y's. A lowercase Y is going to hang down under the line. And these are uppercase Y's. They stand up tall on the line. All right, so most of the time Y is a consonant, but every once in a while she has to do a job like one of the vowels. So let's look at some things that begin with the Y sound. Here is my uppercase Y. There's my lowercase Y. Oh, what's that this girl's doing? She's stretching her arms, her eyes are closed, her mouth's open wide. She is giving a yawn. Yellow. What is this? That yellow's a little bit hard for you all to see. It's kind of a glare on it. That's just yellow. Yo-yo. What is that? Yak. Here it's pointing to this part of the egg. This yellow part of the egg is called the yolk. And that boy's got his mouth open wide. He is going to yell. So yak, yawn, yellow, yolk, yo-yo, and yell all begin with the letter Y, where the y sound like yodeling yawn. All right, let's look at your paper for today. You've got that spot for your name at the top. Here's an uppercase Y. You slant down, and then it goes straight down and it stands up tall. For lowercase Y, you start the dotted line, you slant down, and then you come up and you slant all the way down and go under the line. We'll practice writing our Y's tomorrow. These directions say color the pictures that begin with the y sound. We have a yo-yo. We know yo-yo begins with a Y because we just looked at one of those pictures. All right, if you're giving a thumbs up, what does that usually mean? Yes. Yes begins with a Y. All right, boys and girls, this is a coin. It is called a yen It is from another country. I'm not sure why that's on a kindergarten paper, but it is, so we're going to color it. Yen begins with a Y. There's the yolk for the egg. We're going to color that. Are we going to color leaf? No. Are we going to color the bird? No. What if we called it I'm not sure what kind of bird it is. What if we called it a parrot? No, we still would not color it. This boy has a megaphone. He's going to yell. Yell begins with a Y. What about pan? No. Pen? No. Yarn. Yes, you're going to color the yarn. And this is called a yam. Are you going to color yam? Yes. So you're going to color the yo-yo, yes, yen, yolk, yell, yarn, and yam. All right, boys and girls, remember Miss Y has a yodeling yawn, so it makes the y sound. All right, we'll talk about the letter Y some more again tomorrow. If you want to, you can send me a picture after you color your work, and I will also check it when you